The cayenne equalizes the bloodstream from the top of the head to the bottom of the feet.
Cayenne pepper moves blood. It's one of the best circulatory stimulants there is.
So we need to stimulate the circulation of the body. So what everybody needs to have in their house is cayenne. We have cayenne peppers.
Did you know that combining a dash of spice could do wonders for your heart health? This small yet powerful culinary delight is packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have gathered attention for their potential health benefits, particularly for the heart. Cayenne pepper, historically, it has been a staple in various cuisines and traditional medicines worldwide. From the markets of Central and South America to the spice racks of homes worldwide, cayenne pepper has long been used in dishes and remedies for better heart health. Natural healing experts such as Dr. John Christopher, Barbara O'Neill, and Dr. Richard Schulze have dedicated their lives to uncovering how this fiery red powder transforms cardiovascular health at the cellular level. Their revolutionary research has helped millions worldwide reclaim their heart health naturally. All identified cayenne pepper as one of the most potent natural remedies for cardiovascular health. So today we're counting down the 5 most powerful methods to transform your cardiovascular health using nature's most potent circulation remedy. From melting away arterial plaque to strengthening your heart muscle, what you're about to learn might change how you view this common spice forever. By the end of this video, you will have a thorough understanding of how to incorporate cayenne pepper into your diet effectively and safely. After subscribing our channel, please let us know where you're watching from, and don't forget to turn on notifications. We'd be happy to get to know you. Now, let's dive into exactly how this miracle works inside your body. How cayenne pepper works. Cayenne pepper isn't just something to spice up your food. It contains an incredible compound called capsaicin that works wonders for your cardiovascular system. When you consume cayenne pepper, capsaicin triggers an immediate response in your body. It helps relax the blood vessel walls, allowing better blood flow. But that's not all. Studies have shown that regular cayenne consumption can reduce plaque buildup in arteries and lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. It also improves circulation throughout your body, strengthens your heart muscle, and helps normalize blood pressure over time. One research study from the University of Cincinnati found that capsaicin can actually activate channels that increase blood flow to specific tissues, effectively lowering blood pressure. Cayenne pepper is also packed with vitamin A, C, potassium, and magnesium, which supports heart health, immune function, and healthy blood pressure. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how exactly am I supposed to use it? Don't worry, we are about to show you the 5 most effective cayenne pepper tricks to harness cayenne's power for your heart health. Before that, all information in this video is for educational purposes only, compiled from open sources, and does not substitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor for any health-related concerns. Number 1. Raw cayenne pepper. Let's start with the simplest but most intense method. Raw cayenne pepper, you can call it the direct approach. This approach delivers the highest concentration of capsaicin directly to your system. So the ingredients you need are 1/8 teaspoon of high-quality cayenne powder and a glass of filtered water. Here's the challenge. Most people can't handle the intense heat of raw cayenne. But if you can master this method, you'll get the maximum benefits in the shortest time. Start with just 1/8 teaspoon of high-quality cayenne powder directly under the tongue, followed immediately by a full glass of water. It'll burn, there's no way around that. But this burning sensation is actually a sign that the capsaicin is activating. As a beginner, one should try this just once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. As the body adjusts to the sensation, one can gradually increase to 1/4 teaspoon twice daily. Dr. John Christopher, a renowned herbalist and health educator, documented remarkable results using this method in his practice. His research showed that consistent use of raw cayenne could reduce arterial inflammation by up to 32% in patients with advanced cardiovascular conditions He found the direct method to be particularly effective because it enters the bloodstream rapidly through the sublingual route. Anyone brave enough to try the raw cayenne method should give this video a quick like. But it's worth sticking around for those who find raw cayenne too intense. There are easier alternatives that still deliver impressive results while being much more pleasant to take. Number 2. Cayenne pepper water. Cayenne pepper water is widely considered the most accessible method because it's easy to prepare, simple to consume, and allows for adjusting the potency to match individual tolerance levels. So the ingredients you need to make this water: 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, 8 ounces of warm water, and a small slice of lemon. You can take it as optional. Okay, let's make this daily tonic. To make cayenne pepper water, start by adding 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder to a glass of warm water, about 8 ounces. Stir well until the powder is fully mixed. Now drink it down quickly rather than sipping it slowly. Follow with a small glass of plain water afterward. The warm water helps extract the capsaicin from the powder, making it more bioavailable to your body. That means you get more of the active compounds, working on your arteries and blood pressure. Health expert Barbara O'Neill has seen amazing results with this approach in her work with patients. She found that people who drank cayenne water twice a day saw a remarkable improvement in their circulation in just over a week. This was especially exciting for people who had always struggled with ice-cold fingers and toes. Many of them felt warmth in their edges for the first time in years. Many people noticed their fingers and toes feeling warmer within minutes of drinking cayenne water. That's a sign it's already working to improve your circulation by expanding those tiny blood vessels. Research from the University of Maryland Medical Center confirms that this warming sensation correlates with increased microcirculation in those areas. Try drinking this first thing in the morning and again in the early evening. The consistency is key here if you want to maintain a steady level of capsaicin in your system throughout the day. After about 2 weeks of daily use, you will start noticing more stable blood pressure readings. After a month, significant improvements in energy levels are common too. Anyone drinking cayenne water right now while watching this video can comment below with "feeling the heat" to show their commitment to improving heart health. Now it's time to explore an even more pleasant way to get a daily dose of cayenne. Number 3. Cayenne pepper tea. If you find the water method a bit too harsh, cayenne pepper tea offers a more pleasant experience while still delivering the heart-healthy benefits. So the ingredients you need to make this soothing tea: 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper powder, 8 ounces of water, 1 teaspoon of raw honey optional, half a lemon, juiced, and a small piece of fresh ginger. To make cayenne pepper tea, start by boiling 8 ounces of water. Then add 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper powder, along with 1 teaspoon of raw honey, which really helps with the heat. Next, squeeze in half a lemon, as the vitamin C helps your body absorb the capsaicin better. You can add 2 small slices of fresh ginger for added circulation benefits. Let this mixture steep for about 5 minutes, then give it a good stir before drinking. This tea creates a more balanced experience. The honey helps coat your throat, reducing the burning sensation, while the lemon adds vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of cayenne's compounds. According to different studies, the vitamin C in lemon enhances capsaicin absorption by up to 35%, while also providing additional cardiovascular benefits through its antioxidant properties. According to National Institute of Health, patients who consumed the cayenne-lemon combination showed greater improvements in endothelial function, the health of blood vessel linings, compared to those using cayenne alone. The tea approach tends to work more gradually than the raw method, but many people find it easier to stick with long term. And when it comes to heart health, consistency over months and years is what really matters. Health educators recommend enjoying this tea twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. Making it part of a daily ritual, like reading the morning news or winding down before bed, helps ensure consistency. Do you struggle with cold hands and feet? This might be the perfect solution for you. Now, let's explore the 4th method, a natural, heart-friendly shot that works wonders for your cardiovascular health. Number 4. The Cayenne Pepper Shot. Jumpstart your day with this Cayenne Pepper Wellness Shot, which is packed with simple ingredients that may help improve circulation, support heart health, and give your body a refreshing start each day. Think of it as nature's espresso for your cardiovascular system. So, the ingredients you need: 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper or a dash of cayenne, 8 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered preferred, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, a dash of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. First of all, pour 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a shot glass. Next, cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze about 2 tablespoons of juice. Now, pour 4 ounces filtered water into the shot glass to dilute the mixture. Add a teaspoon of raw honey to balance the flavors. Add a dash of cayenne pepper and turmeric to the mixture in the shot glass. Finally, a pinch of black pepper for better turmeric absorption. Use a small spoon to stir this mix all until fully combined, the ingredients together. Make sure the spices are well dissolved and drink it all at once, like a shot. Follow immediately with a remaining plain water to help wash it down. It's recommended to take this cayenne pepper shot in the early morning or before meals. This method delivers an intense burst of capsaicin to your system. You'll likely feel a warming sensation spreading through your body within minutes. According to the International Journal of Nutrition and Food Sciences, this rapid warming correlates with increased metabolic rate and improved circulation. The cayenne shot works great as an emergency measure too. A study published in the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine showed that a similar cayenne preparation could produce measurable improvements in blood pressure readings within 30 to 45 minutes in participants with mild to moderate hypertension. Just be warned, this is definitely the most intense method in terms of heat sensation. Start with just 1/8 teaspoon if you're sensitive to spicy foods. If you've tried any cayenne shots before, let me know in the comments which version worked best for you. Now let me share one more powerful method that most people have never heard about. Number 5. Cayenne Pepper Wrap. While the first 4 methods focus on internal consumption, this 5th technique harnesses cayenne's power from the outside in, and the results can be truly remarkable, especially for those with chronically cold extremities or poor circulation.
Cayenne pepper moves blood. It is a stimulant, but not a nervous system stimulant. It's not an irritant. It's a stimulant to the blood, and whenever you move blood, you move healing into that area.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill advocates against the conventional method of treating cold feet with hot water, warning of potential tissue damage, especially for those with conditions like poor circulation, anemia, chemotherapy, or diabetes. Instead, she recommends a natural and effective remedy: an olive oil and cayenne pepper compress. So the ingredients you need: 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, double-layered paper towels or kitchen paper, plastic wrap or food-grade plastic sheet, and cotton socks. This method involves drizzling olive oil over a double-layered kitchen paper placed on a plastic sheet, then evenly sprinkling 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper on top. The paper is placed under the feet and wrapped with the plastic sheet, followed by wearing socks.
You cannot put cold feet into hot water or you'll damage the tissues. So what can you do? You can make a cayenne compress to put on the bottom of the feet.
This compress, applied before bedtime, helps stimulate circulation, alleviating numbness or cold sensations without the risks associated with hot water treatments. O'Neill's approach underscores her commitment to natural remedies that enhance health and well-being safely. How to use these tricks. For optimal cardiovascular benefits, consistency is key. Research shows maintaining steady capsaicin levels throughout the day provides the best results. At the morning, use either raw cayenne or the cayenne shot for an immediate circulation boost. At midday, drink cayenne water to maintain benefits. In the evening, enjoy soothing cayenne tea before bed. Overnight, consider the cayenne wrap for continuous circulation support while sleeping. Prepare cayenne water or tea in batches to ensure consistency. Keep pre-measured cayenne packets for travel. Monitor blood pressure regularly to track progress. While warming sensations occur immediately, significant cardiovascular improvements typically develop over 1 to 3 months of regular use. Beginners should start with milder methods before progressing to more intense approaches. Remember to take cayenne on an empty stomach for maximum absorption and stay well hydrated throughout the day to support its circulatory benefits. Cautions you must know. Before starting any of these cayenne pepper tricks, several important precautions must be observed. Only use organic cayenne with at least 30,000 to 50,000 Scoville heat units for therapeutic effects. Those with digestive disorders, ulcers, or highly sensitive stomachs should begin with the milder tea method. People taking blood pressure medications, blood thinners, or heart medications must consult a healthcare professional first, as cayenne can potentiate these drugs. Pregnant women should seek medical advice before using cayenne therapeutically. When applying the cayenne wrap, always perform a small patch test first to check for skin sensitivity. Keep cayenne away from eyes and mucous membranes. Store high-quality cayenne in a cool, dark place to preserve its medicinal properties. Thanks for watching.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.